Hello my dear craftswomen! I am Galina Cheremisina, and today we are going to decorate monochromatic net with beaded embroidery. In this example I have chosen diamond beads with 2 holes, diamond duo and mini diamond duo. I liked the idea to combine beads of the same shape but different size. Of course, this stitch can be used with various types of beads: SuperDuo, Puca, drop duo, iris duo, vexilla and others. Thanks to your preferences and fantasy, net with embroidery can be very diverse. And now let's start. Take a thread which color that maximum matches the main seed bead color. In this case it is very important. Move the thread to the place where you are planning to have the center of a flower. String required amounts of chosen beads for the closed shape, 6 for diamond duo. Close the circle by passing through the first bead for the second time. Arrange the beads as close as possible to the net, almost without a shank between the flower and the base. Go into the nearest net seed bead, pull accurately. Now, move the thread through the base seed beads towards the second hole of the nearest bead. Pass through the bead and return again to the net, choosing the nearest seed bead and pull tight the flower, so the thread won't be visible between beads and the net. Following the pattern of the net, move the thread toward the next diamond duo bead. In the same way, we fix all other beads. Keep under control the flower location and the tension of the thread. Stitches are not visible, but product stays flexible and accurate. If the tension is too high, the embroidery will deform the product and bend over the base. If the tension is too weak, beads are hanging out, threads are visible and the project looks unprofessional. This technique may require additional practice, however, it gives amazing results. Products decorated with the embroidery could look elegant and could be soon very rich with diverse patterns. For better effect, you can add beaded embroidery with another elements, seed beads, decorations with pendants and cabochons. You will always find big variety of beads for any preferences in ScaraBeads.com shop. And see you soon again on our channel!